IRCTC has begun proof-of-concept trials of branded meal services on select Vande Bharat and Amrit Bharat trains to improve on-board catering quality. By delinking meal production from meal service, it is partnering with industrial kitchens, restaurant chains and flight caterers such as Haldiram's, Elior, Touchstone Foundation and Casino Air Caterers and flight services. The focus is on better kitchen infrastructure, production, transfer and service, offering diverse restaurant-quality menus with local delicacies. Initial passenger feedback has been positive, and insights from these trials will guide wider improvements ahead.